Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to add payment methods in WordPress using Easy Digital Downloads ET, so you can start accepting payments on your site quickly and securely. First, you need to install and activate Easy Digital Downloads. Once installed, you'll see a new menu item called Downloads on the left side of your WordPress dashboard. This plugin gives you access to multiple payment gateways, email integration, subscription options, and more. Next, let's connect EDD with Stripe. Make sure Stripe is available in your country. If not, PayPal is a great alternative. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Downloads, Gives Settings, Gives Payments, Gives Stripe, then click the Connect with Stripe button. Log in with your Stripe account credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code. Once logged in, select the account you want to connect and click Connect. You should see a green confirmation box indicating that your Stripe account is successfully linked. And that's it! Your WordPress site can now accept payments via Stripe. You can also repeat similar steps to integrate PayPal or other supported gateways if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tutorials and tips.